Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a short wheelbase Transporter Kombi. This particular vehicle is a Highline model. It's fitted with a 150 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a DSG automatic gearbox. This Transporter is a used 21 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has been through its 112 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the Kombi, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the vehicle. To the front you will notice LED headlights. In the lower part of the bumper you will notice front fog lights and front parking sensors. In the centre grille you will notice two nice chrome strips. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Carrying on around the vehicle, you will notice that this Kombi is fitted with 16-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. You'll also notice mud flaps to the front and to the rear. It's also fitted with power folded heated mirrors. Also the mirror caps and door handles are painted in body colour. To this side of the Kombi you will notice a near side sliding door with privacy glass. I've now opened the sliding door so you can see the three rear seats. Across the seats you will notice Isofix anchorage points for the correct child seat. You'll also notice a window for your rear passengers. To the back of the Kombi you will notice a tailgate without window. You'll also notice a spoiler on the rear tailgate. Across the rear bumper you will notice rear parking sensors. This Kombi is also fitted with a tow bar. It's also fitted with LED rear tail lights, and it also has the VW badging on the tailgate. I've now opened the rear tailgate so you can see inside the load area. As you can see, there's plenty of space. Across the floor you will notice load lashing rings for securing loads whilst in transit. You could also take out the three rear row seats for more space, and here we have the inner tailgate. This Kombi is painted in Indium grey, which is a popular colour in the van range. And now for a look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a chunky feel leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches. Both doors are fitted with some handy storage. Moving across the dash you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. Moving to the back of the Kombi you will notice it's fitted with 5 comfortable seats. Both front seats are fitted with armrests for added comfort on long journeys. I have now finished my walk around the vehicle. For my next part of the video I'd like to show you the working controls inside the interior, and I'd also like to show you the centre media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me you'll notice mirror and electric window controls. This Kombi is also fitted with auto headlamps. Moving back to the steering wheel you'll notice multimedia controls. To this side you'll notice cruise control. This Transporter has covered 4,153 miles. Using the switches on this side of the steering wheel you can change settings on the instrument cluster. You can also change the radio stations if needed. To the centre of the dash you will notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. You'll also notice an SD card reader, which is here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which are down here. This system is also fitted with Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone. You will also notice it's fitted with App Connect for your Android or Apple smartphone. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps on your smartphone, e.g. music or maps. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you will notice a park distance control for your front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving down from the media screen, you'll notice that this Kombi is fitted with a heated front screen. It's also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. You'll also notice that this Kombi is fitted with heated front seats. They're easy to use. Here we have the temperature control switch. Here we have the 6-speed fan motor. Here we have the direction of the heat. Moving across you will notice the DSG automatic gear stick. Now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Transporter Kombi. It's a short wheelbase. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 150 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a DSG automatic gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used 21 plate transporter, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the Kombi. You could also ask the salesperson about a test drive or any flexible finance options if needed. And thank you for watching.